Hey, good morning friends. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yasmin. I do lifestyle, fashion and beauty content, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe down below and join the file. Now, I wanted to start this video off by saying Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan is finally here, Ramadan 2020. It is a little bit bittersweet because I am so excited for Ramadan. I've been waiting it for so long. I don't know, there's just something about Ramadan that just makes you feel at peace, renewed, you know what I mean? But then also with the whole pandemic thing going on, we are not able to go to Taraweeh, we are not able to go to Tahajjud, so we will be indoors the whole of this Ramadan, which kind of sucks, but we need to work together to flatten the curve. So that means my family and I will be staying home this Ramadan. First of all, don't mind my nails, this will be going off later today. I've been trying like weird patterns with them and my allergies are going crazy. Oh my god. But I was saying I was trying different designs on them, so that's why they're like, so I wanted to start off the first like Ramadan style with a bit of Ramadan prep. I have a couple of things that I want to do personally, and then a couple of things we as a family want to do before Ramadan starts. So the first thing is obviously buying groceries and stuff that we need to make food with this couple of like the coming weeks or the coming few days. Getting dates, I don't know if you guys know, but dates is like a staple when it comes to Ramadan, so we need to go stock up on those. What I personally need to do is recently moved into a new home, and I haven't fully unpacked a lot of like all my shoes are still in shoe boxes. I'm just gonna go take my dad's shoe cabinet that he's not using anymore, that he used to use in the previous house, and use that temporarily until I sort my situation out. So I'm gonna get my shoes off all the boxes, wipe down the shoe cabinet, and then arrange them in there, put away the suitcases. We do have like a few miscellaneous suitcases just hanging around, so I need to find a place to put that. What else do I need to do? I guess that's it. Mostly that's all I have to do. Prepare my Quran, my journal thingy that I use during Ramadan and everything, and just be fully prepared. That's what I'm excited about. So before we head out today, I want to take a lot of like pictures for my Instagram. So I want to do like a little light makeup before I leave. I finally got ready. I'm just in a jacket, my dress, my face mask is at the back. I'm just gonna switch it around and wear it once I'm in the car, but we're headed to go do some Ramadan shopping. Super excited. These are literally my favorite yogurts ever. I just finished off the supermarket, and now we're almost headed home. We're at the vegetable place, and my sister's just grabbing some bananas, and then we can head home. I'll probably show you guys what we got from the supermarket, a little supermarket haul. What do you think? No. Okay. Absolutely not. Cut the camera. Deadass. Deadass. We made it back home, so now I'm gonna deal with everything else. I want to show you guys the situation I was talking about earlier, but first. So this is the situation of the room. These are empty bags that we used to move out. This is my sandstorm bag that is empty, that needs to go up there. It just needs to be wiped down, and then it goes up there. This is just my suitcase that obviously I used to move out of the house and that also needs to be taken out. All my makeup is in this tiny suitcase that needs to be stored away, but I'm trying to find like a more permanent, better organized solution for that. And then these are just like my bags that need to be cleaned. So this is a backpack, and then in here is like a suave bag. You guys can't even see, but there's like 2 more bags in here that need to be cleaned, so I've just put them up there. And then this side is where all the boxes are. Some of them have shoes, some of them have random ass stuff. My mirror is there that I was using this morning for the get ready with me. That's me. It's like a small mirror, but all this needs to be sorted out. Hopefully by the next couple of days I need to clean this out, put the shoes away and everything into the shoe cabinet, and have a more organized system. So far that's what I'm dealing with. I know it's a lot of stuff, I know it's eating my head as well, but I need to start this organization stuff sooner than later. Some of the boxes, like there's one box here that just has a lot of like things that I need to throw away, like some PR boxes that I don't need anymore, socks that are torn or got lost. Like I only have one pair of as well, I can see them there, that I need to get rid of, but the rest are like shoes, some PR packages, just like a random bunch of stuff, but I need to take care of that. But first I think I'm gonna go eat food. I ordered Mama Rocks today as my final like cheat meal, so I can just like indulge and just eat and have a good time. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna catch you guys later when I take off my nails and when I take off the nail polish. Sorry, these are my actual natural nails. I got the Sukitap burger and the sweet potato fries with their mango mayo sauce. This is like the best sauce they ever have. I don't know. This is what makes the sweet potato fries. Like the mixture is so good. But that's all the shit we got from the supermarket. That's all the stuff we got from the supermarket. Milk, some veggies. So it's later in the night. It's currently 7, right? Yeah, 7:40, almost 8 p.m. and I just want to take off the nail polish on my fingers. Now these are the breathable nail polish, but these are looking so grimy. So something about these like breathable nail polishes, their durability isn't that much, to be honest. They peel off really quickly, like even less than a week you'd have such cheap nails, so you just have to keep changing them often, and they come off really quick. By the way, I would have chosen to like peel them off myself, but I'm not trying to like dirtify the room. The green glittery one, like there's one that I have that I put like on my thumbs. It's like a green glitter, and it takes a very long to come off, longer than the rest, because the others is like just one swipe and they're all gone. So what I want to do now is, like I said, take a shower, a nice long shower, take ghusl, take out my, so there's this praying gown that I have that I only use Ramadan, only because it's like just like a special prayer gown that I like using just specifically for that time. So it, like during overtime I get excited to bring it out and to wear it out. I don't know, it's just like those little things that make you excited, super excited. So I'm gonna take that out from the closet, put it somewhere near that I can reach it, because I think it's like stuck somewhere up there. And then I'm probably gonna like take the shoes off out of the boxes, but I wouldn't bring you guys along. I will just bring you guys along tomorrow when I'm doing everything else. And today is the first day of Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak, guys. I hope you guys have such a blessed month. I hope you guys come out better than you did going in. I hope we're all benefiting. I hope we all benefit from this holy month. From where I left off yesterday, I ended up taking out all the stuff from the boxes. Let me just show you guys. So I ended up taking out everything. These are like box full of trash. This is just like some bags. This has some donations, and then the boxes are here. So I'm gonna take these out. So this is what the shoe thingy looks like. I need to wipe some down. I need to clean them. I need to know which ones I'm keeping, which ones I'm throwing out. These are fairly a lot of shoes. I realized my color scheme is very white, black, pink, and nudes. Literally, that's all I have. But yeah, they're just here for now. Gonna go clean out the shoe cabinet. So we've made iftar just a little bit. Some bits, some potatoes. I'm currently making myself some coffee because I want to stay up tonight and then make the juice. So it's a little bit after iftar. I just prayed. I made myself some coffee like you guys saw, so I'm just having that right now so I can just get like energy and not feel tired. But there's something I wanted to mention. So every Ramadan, once it rolls around, I usually write down my goals throughout the month and things that I want to better in, things I want to improve on, things I need to check myself on, and all that stuff. I usually write them down like in my journal, and writing things down just helps me like manifest things. That's what I think. That's what always worked for me. I really like writing down things, so I usually do that. I wanted to do that now, but it's a bit dark, so I think I'm gonna just do that tomorrow with you guys, and we can write down a few goals together and whatnot. So I managed to stack up the shoe rack with the drawers and everything. So I'm just wiping down my shoes one last time and then arranging them, because I think I'm gonna lapse you guys and just zoom in. Right, so far this is what we have. I've kind of like organized stuff in a way where they'll all fit, so all my flats are in there, sneakers down there. I didn't realize I had this much shoes. I honestly thought all my shoes would fit in here, but they aren't, so I had to make space for these, like put these sideways, stack two that are tiny, my flats put them one on top of the other. My sneakers are filled down there, all of them, but there's still like my gym pair that I haven't put away, but I think since I'm not going to the gym now, I think I put these somewhere else. So I went ahead and decorated the top. I just put my kitabs in here and my notebook and my journal. This organic savannah candle that I've had for ages that I started burning yesterday, and then this cute little lantern from, I'm gonna tag the page, but my friend Zamzam is the one who owns a brand, and she sells these really cute lanterns that light up. And let me turn it on so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like. It just gives off the cutest little vibe during at night. So today is day 3 of Ramadan, and yesterday I didn't do that much. I did show you guys what I was up to most of the day. So I fixed up my shoes, cleaned up the cabinet, got rid of stuff in my room and stuff, and then headed to the kitchen around 5 to help around. I ended up making like tuna sandwiches for the fam. Today, my plan for today was to film a video. I woke up pretty early to film a video, but it was super gloomy, but then stayed in bed till like 12:01. So the lighting was not how I'd like it for the video, but I managed to film a few snippets. The video that I was planning to film basically was ways on how to still have the Ramadan spirit during this quarantine time, during this weird times. We've never experienced a Ramadan like this. At least I have never experienced a Ramadan like this in my whole life, so this is like adapting to a whole new situation. But my plan was to make a video on how you can still experience the full Ramadan experience, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I did create like a nice little praying corner in my room, so we're just like right next to my bed, so like during Fajr I can just, you know, pray and then crawl back to bed. I do have my 2 pillows that I used to sit on and whatnot, or like to put my legs on so that my feet don't cramp up. This Quran stand that belongs to my dad actually, but I do borrow it when he is not using it. You can find this from any like Quran shop, especially like the ones in Isli. And then down here I have my journal and my other notebook, and then I took this little stool and I put the lantern there. It is literally almost iftar time. I just left the kitchen. I've been so busy, but I'm going to show you guys what we have for iftar today. Okay, so we have salad, red and white sanapa fish, some salad dressing, we have sweet potato curry, banana bread, viazi karai, and some samosas. So that's the lineup for today.
I wanna drown myself in